Hey, everybody, Martika here. Welcome. So, we are back because I got so many of you requesting that I do more of these videos. So, I said that I would. So, here we are again. So, today we are talking about some inspired tops, okay? Inspired fall tops, that is. So I pulled a few that I found that I thought was very cute. And on top of that, some that you will definitely get some wear out of, because so often we make things but we wear them once, put them aside. Well, these are some tops that you will actually want to pair up with like your jeans and your leggings and maybe your joggers and things, and just wear them over and over again because they're so cute and also so comfy. So we are going to go ahead and get started. So the first one that I saw was this really cute, this is like a rib knit V-neck long sleeve top. Very cute, very casual, but can also be dressy. And the thing that I love about this is the fact that it is so simple that you can do so many things with it. It's a relaxed fit. So if you like that relaxed fit to where you can kind of go throughout your day without anything fitting close to your body, you can definitely do that. And like I said, it's just a simple V-neck rib knit top, and it's long sleeve. And depending on the type of knit that you sew your top with, it could be as cool as you want it to be or as warm as you want it to be. So the pattern that I grabbed to match up with this is New Look N644. Now, I'm going to tell you some of these patterns that I'm going to show you today, you have seen before with other pair-ups, but these are different inspiration photos that I'm showing you. So this just goes to show that yes, you can use your patterns over and over and over again to get different looks. It's all about the fabric. So as you can see, we are talking about view A here, which is the only top, and if you want to, you can make the pants too. They're very cute. All of the patterns I'm showing you today are available, okay? They are not expired or out of print. They are still available for you to get. Now, this top is really cute on her, and I'm going to be honest with you. When I did get this pattern a long time ago, I got it for the top, okay? Now, what I like about this top is the fact that it does, just kind of have this relaxed fit, as you can see. But if you want even more ease on the side, even than what she has, you can do that to make it look more like that inspiration photo. The same with the band on here. If you want that band to be a little bit looser, you can definitely extend it a little further out to make it a little looser. And if you choose to have the cuffs on the sleeves like she does on the inspiration photos, you can simply make some cuffs to go with this, okay? So very, very cute. I'm going to turn this over so you can see the line drawing on here. As you can see, it's just as simple as it is on the photo itself. So very cute pattern, very cute inspiration photo. Just grab you some rib knit fabric. Like I said, the warmth totally depends on you, and also it looks very easy to sew. So the next inspiration photo that I found, now you all have seen the pattern that I'm going to pair it with this before, but when I saw this, I actually saw a couple of different ones. I just had to pull this because the fabric, it just makes it look so different. It makes it look so cute and so warm. I love this. I'm thinking that this is like some type of fleece fabric, like maybe a fleece cotton, a fleece knit, definitely, or something like that with some texture to it. Very, very cute. And I'm going to show you another photo as well, because I'm going to show you the same pattern for this. And as you can see, this is like a waffle knit fabric that's in this sweatshirt top, and then you have like your kangaroo pocket on there. Very cute. But let's go back to the first one, and I'm going to show you the pattern that I thought about for this one because it pairs up very well, and you've seen it before. It is Simplicity 8947. Now you might say, Martika, but that isn't like a sweatshirt dress. You know what you do? you shorten it, you guys. What I am looking at is the details of the tops here, okay? So when you look at the detail of both of these tops, you can see that they are both a drop sleeve top, okay? So we got that. They both have a cuff at the end. We got that in view D, okay? And they both have a hood. We have that in view C. So you just, and also in view B, what she is wearing. So you just take that hood and you are going to just kind of piece this pattern together, kind of hacking it together to make a top. How do you get the band though at the end of this top or the end of this sweatshirt? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to shorten it. And then we're going to take the band from view D. Actually, you could just do view D and add the hood to it, okay? But for the one with the kangaroo pocket, you just cut out the kangaroo pocket and you simply put it on view D, okay? So you can see how it works. Sometimes to get the look that you are going for, you just kind of have to broaden your vision when you look at the pattern, and you have to bring it together to get the look that you want. Now, if I turn this over so you can see the line drawings, you can see that these view D, let's just look at view D right now. This is a drop sleeve. And in view B and C, you have your hood. Simple as that. Okay? Very, very cute and easy to sew. So let's move on to the next inspiration photo, which is this really cute oversized sweatshirt. You guys, when I saw this, I said, oh, that is so perfect for the fall, so perfect for the winter. But when I'm thinking of the fall, I'm thinking like going to the pumpkin patch and different fall festivals. Great for cool mornings when you don't want to wear a jacket with layers and it's too warm for a coat, so you don't want to get hot. But this is just perfect for staying warm. And you can also dress this top up or down by simply putting some tennis shoes and some leggings or some cute little jeans with it. Or you can even dress it up by putting like some really cute boots or booties with it. And I mean, gosh, you can do so much with this oversized sweatshirt. So the pattern that I came up with and pulled is Simplicity 9897. And this is a Norris Dante Ford pattern. As you can see, this is an oversized sweatshirt. Take a look at the one that Mimi G has on. It's so cute. I love the color of this. I also love the color of this white one in the inspiration photo as well. And you guys, you can just wear this so many different ways. But the thing that I love most is the fact that it's so loose, so relaxed, and just so easy to put together. As you can see, this is an easy to sew pattern. But there's one more thing about this pattern that I want to show you. And it is within the line drawings. Now, you can't really see it, but if you look, you can see the little lines there in view B on the sides. There are pockets in that sweatshirt. So you are even getting more out of this sweatshirt than what you are in the inspiration photos, because you have pockets in this particular one right here. And in my opinion, you can't beat that. So the next one that I spotted is this really cute little, kind of like a puff sleeve sweater. It's a long sleeve. You got your cuffs, but those sleeves just really make the statement on this one. I love how she's wearing this with really a pair of jeans. You could also put this like with some leather leggings. I think that would be really cute if you're going out somewhere with the girls or on a date or something. Just be really, really cute. I love the clutch with it. I love that whole look in this inspiration photo. And when I saw this, I thought about Simplicity 9385. You guys, so cute. The only difference about view A here are the bishop sleeves there. But if you go over here to view C, then you have the cuffs. Okay, so it's another pattern that you have to kind of pull together to get the look that you want. So basically what you want to be doing with this to get that look, and what I would do is I would sew up view A, but I would omit the bishop sleeve cuffs, and I would put the cuffs from view C or even view B or D, just the cuffs. I would put that on view A. And you guys, in my opinion, you pretty much have that top if you have the right fabric and just want that exact look. Another thing, you can pull your rib knit. You can pull your other textured knits to make this top, just to make it yours and to make it different. You can pull different prints if you want, but I love the rib knit look in this top. It's just so simple, so easy, so put together, and you can just dress it up, dress it down, do whatever you want with this particular one. But not only that, I also came across this short sleeve version, okay, of something like this. It's not exactly, because the neck on the inspiration photo is a little bit higher, and you can create a neckband. You know, if you're talented in that way, you can create a neckband to come up a little further if you would like to, if that is your choice. But as far as the sleeves go, all you have to do is shorten the sleeves, literally. All you have to do is shorten the sleeves to any of these, put the cuff where you want them, and you have that top pretty much. Very, very cute. And I love the fact that it is kind of like more of a loose fitting one. If you're going to do, you know, this view A angle here, but just change the cuffs, it's more loose fitting, so you can tuck it as well. So very cute. Now, the next one that I spotted, and the last one, this, I'm going to give you a few looks here for this same pattern. Actually, a couple of looks, different designs. But you guys, when I saw this jacket, I just thought that it was so very cute. You have this simple, what we like to call like a coatigan or a cardigan, depending on how heavy your knit is. It's like a lightweight sweater coat, so to speak, or you can make it into a cardigan feel if you like. But look at this jacket in the print. Not only does it serve as like a lightweight jacket, but it also serves as part of the actual outfit itself. But you don't have to just do it in just one print, this common like animal print. You guys, you can even color block this and do two different types of print in this one jacket if you are good at hacking the patterns and color blocking. And not only that, if you have a really, really cute like fashion type knit, you can do it in this as well. I mean, how beautiful. I want that fabric myself. How beautiful is that? So the pattern that I wanted to pull back out for this one is New Look 6585. So cute. And yes, I am looking at view B, the shorter version of this. Now, the only difference between the inspiration photo and this pattern that I can personally see is that it does not have buttons. Your collar might be a little wider. If you're fine with the wider collar, I'm fine with it personally, but you can, you know, kind of slim that out if you choose to, but I personally would not, because it does have a hood. And the inspiration photo, although you cannot see it, but it is hooded as well. But how cute would this be in these beautiful prints? But as I kept scrolling, I spotted this one. This beautiful, this is like a cable knit type. This particular knit has all types of designs that was knitted into this particular piece of fabric. And if you have fabric such as this, maybe a blanket that you want to turn into something else, I just think that this is absolutely gorgeous. And you can definitely get just about this exact look with view B, because as you can see, this particular one doesn't have any buttons, but you can add as many buttons as you want to, or none at all, on either inspiration photo. But that just goes to show you what all you can do when you see something and you put your own vision to it. So I hope you all have enjoyed this particular part of some fall inspiration looks, these tops. I hope that I've inspired you to pull out these old patterns and really get to sewing them up and having fun with it and just looking really cute and fashionable. So let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you for watching. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Have a great one. Bye-bye.